Hi everybody, and welcome back to another Laha escapade. I'm not Laura.
And I'm not Hannes.
Ever wondered how long it takes to make a card like that? Well, in this escapade we show you how long.
Cards, and it took me about 45 minutes, a bit over 45 minutes, to do all three of them. I did three different designs. I did one with a window with the vellum paper that we can see through.
Focus.
And then I did two cards with, how to describe,
Your die cutting machine.
using my die cutting machine, which I love. And I used a mixture of black black paper and one of our prints.
This one took like 25 minutes, I think, from design to finish.
And these two took about 10-15 minutes each. They were quite quick because I used a die cutting machine. I didn't have to cut them out by hand. And then it was just basically the gluing on, which was also quite easy. And because I didn't use any coloured paper or anything in the background, there was no extra cutting. Whereas the window one did take me a little bit longer.
And this one you had to figure out first.
Yeah, how it was going to work.
I like that one now.
That one would have been better if it was on slightly thicker cardstock, because I've taken the window out, the structure to the card feels maybe a little bit weak. It's alright for a card, it's not like you have to do anything with it, but I think next time I use a thicker cardstock to make a window card if it's going to be so big. But yeah, out of the three, I think I like this one with the smaller Alice Lieber in the middle. I think it's a bit more delicate, it's a bit nicer. But I think my overall favourite, and Hanneson's favourite, is definitely the one with the window.
Yup. True.
These three cards were quite simple and so went quite quick. Obviously the more intricate the design, the longer it takes. Sometimes it takes me longer to figure out the design than to actually make the card. But when I made these, I was in the right mood, they went quite quick. Let us know which one you like the best. And tune in next time for more escapades.
Until next time. See you around.